Welcome to another video at www.flatroofwaterproofing.co.za. Today we're in Bryanston looking at a flat roof. This outlet is leaking into the home below. As you can see, this patch is loose, so we're taking that off. The standing water here is obviously where dust is deposited through ponding. We're going to be laying an extra layer or two of bitumen there, as this is a small job and we haven't got time to wait for the screed to dry. As you can see here, we've put the tube of waterproofing all the way through the outlet. We've prepared the floor, taking off the existing and burning back to a solid surface, such that the water drips off the waterproofing and not marrying the waterproofing at the entrance to the pipe. As you can see, the balance of the roof here. We have a few other leaks. This valley in the corner. So we'll be lifting the roof tiles, exposing the valley, cleaning out the flashing and reinstall the overbend at the edges of the flashing, and then putting a membrane on top. The polypropylene membrane is resistant to hail up to the size of about a golf ball, and any debris collecting on top of the waterproofing, like pigeon droppings, leaves, hail, will then get washed off, and it turns that flashing into a safety net. The bitumen overlaps will run down the roof such that it will run from north to east. Make it a great day and follow us in further videos.